We are pleased to show you the 2015 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, sports suspension, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, leather upholstery, airbags, front knee, cruise control, electroluminescent instrumentation. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.